Have you ever wondered if there's a magic ingredient right in your kitchen that could help you say goodbye to hair fall? What if I told you that making your own herbal hair oil at home could be the answer? In this video, you'll uncover the secrets of a herbal hair oil that promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, and gives you thick, shiny hair. We'll walk through each ingredient, one by one, revealing how they work their magic on your hair. What you learn. A step-by-step guide to making herbal hair oil. The specific benefits of each ingredient for hair growth and shine. Practical tips for using this oil to get the best results. An unexpected hair-boosting ingredient you'll be surprised by. Coconut oil is like a miracle base in our mix. It penetrates deeply into the hair shaft, moisturizing each strand and leaving hair soft and manageable. Not only does it help prevent protein loss, but it also protects hair from damage. Plus, its natural fats make your hair stronger. Now, to make this oil even richer, we are adding a tiny but mighty boost. Castor oil is known for its thick, almost sticky consistency, which might seem tricky but is pure gold for hair growth. It nourishes the scalp, stimulating blood circulation and encouraging stronger, faster hair growth. Plus, it locks in moisture like no other, keeping your hair hydrated and shiny. Moving on to our first spice. Methi seeds, or fenugreek, might be a spice in our kitchen, but they are also a powerhouse for hair care. Loaded with protein and iron, they combat hair fall and nourish the hair roots deeply. They also help in treating scalp issues like dandruff and dryness, making your hair healthier from the roots up. Now here's the shocking part. Believe it or not, Loki isn't just a vegetable for your kitchen. When grated and added to hair oil, it hydrates the scalp and brings life to dull hair. It's rich in water content and vitamins, which help cool the scalp, especially if it's prone to dryness. From one surprise to another, onions. Onion juice is full of sulfur, which improves blood circulation and strengthens the hair roots. It's known for promoting hair regrowth, reducing dandruff, and even helping fight off infections that can damage your scalp. Next up is a fragrant addition we often see in traditional remedies. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants and proteins that nourish the scalp, helping to reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. They also contain beta-carotene, which helps reduce hair thinning. A few leaves make a big impact, enriching the oil with nutrients for a thicker, shinier hair texture. To give your hair an extra shine and strength boost, let's move on to amla. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is a hair superstar. Known for its high vitamin C content, amla strengthens hair follicles, reduces dandruff, and enhances natural shine. It's a traditional remedy for thick and healthy hair, adding strength and vitality to your scalp and strands. Last but not least, neem leaves are known for their antifungal and antibacterial properties, which are great for keeping your scalp healthy and free from infections. They also stimulate blood flow, promoting stronger, thicker hair. Let us look at the ingredients at once. 1 cup of coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of castor oil, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 2 teaspoons of grated bottle gourd, 2 teaspoons of grated onion, 5 fresh curry leaves, 2 teaspoons of grated Indian gooseberry, 10 neem leaves. Let's look at the method for making this powerful herbal hair oil. Start by heating 1 cup of coconut oil on low heat. Next, add 2 teaspoons of castor oil and let the oils warm gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, add 1 teaspoon of methi seeds and give it a stir. Add the grated ingredients, 2 teaspoons of bottle gourd and 2 teaspoons of onion. Then, toss in 5 fresh curry leaves and stir them in. Add 2 teaspoons of grated amla and 10 neem leaves for added benefits. Simmer on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Stirring continuously to blend the ingredients well. Finally, let it cool and strain the oil into a clean container. Here's how to apply your homemade herbal hair oil. Warm a small amount of oil, then gently massage it into your scalp in circular motions to boost blood flow. Now apply the oil along the hair, focusing especially on the dry ends for extra hydration. Then, Let it work its magic. Leave the oil on for 1 to 2 hours, or if you prefer, overnight for a deeper treatment. Then wash it properly using a mild shampoo, and follow up with conditioner if needed. For best results, aim to use this oil twice weekly. With regular application, you'll notice added shine, thickness, and reduced hair fall. As for storage, keep the oil in an airtight container, away from sunlight, and it will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. Let's quickly recap the key insights from today's video. First, coconut and castor oils serve as essential bases, giving deep hydration and promoting hair growth. Then, we've got simple kitchen ingredients like methi seeds, bottle gourd, and onions, each bringing unique benefits to nourish and strengthen your hair. Amla and neem go a step further by adding shine, health, and strength to every strand. And the best part, this easy-to-make oil can be your secret to naturally thick, strong hair. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. I've also pinned the form link in the comments section, so it's easy to find. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. So, are you ready to try this magical homemade hair oil? Comment below if you've ever tried homemade hair oils before, or if you're excited to start now. And remember, there's more where this came from, so keep watching for more tips on natural, healthy hair care.